Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're down here at the river. We're gonna try for some more trout. I got probably a little bit over an hour. It's on a Thursday afternoon, sunny day. Got done with work a little early. So I'm gonna probably start off with a Gulp Minnow and then change it up to a crankbait if I get time. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we got snow Sunday. It is now Thursday, so nobody's been down here since then, at least, so. Wow, it is deep, guys. Look at this. It wouldn't be so bad if I had my boots. First cast, guys. Like I said, we got about an hour. We might be able to pick one or two off here. Just because I know nobody's been here for 5 or 6 days, so. It's a beautiful day though, guys. It's probably in the high 30s air temperature. Not bad for a February day. Now there's a deep hole down here. Let's give this a shot. Right in between these two trees here. Yeah, it's probably about 5 or 6 feet right in there. Right where the current comes in. So they're just waiting, hoping that some type of food source comes there. Or they could just swallow it up. Now I have a 3-inch gulp on here. Right out of my 2.5-inch ones. Caught a stick. I guess I'm on the board, right? Cut something. Let's try to catch something that's living. Like a nice 20-inch brown trout. Let's try to move down. All right, we're gonna give this section a shot, guys. It's like the same section. I was just fishing over there. And all those trees, if you could see on the other side there, guys, they were all like halfway in the water here. The section was good. So they had some cover and stuff. Somebody must have removed them all, but I'm not even sure how they removed all those, because that's one big tree, but let's see if there's any fish still in this area. Like I said earlier, guys, this spot's so fished out anymore. It's used to be a really good area to fish. Like I said, this holds big brown trout. Fish here in the summer, some smallies too I catch out of here. Rock bass in the summer. Try to work it like a jerkbait now, against the current. Maybe that'll entice a bite. That's one thing about fishing, guys. You gotta just switch it up. You could come out one day and, oh, they want the Gulp Minnow. You can catch 5 fish in one spot. Next day, a week later, you come back out, nothing. Throw a crankbait, and they start hitting that. That's the part of fishing. You just got to figure out what they want. We're heading down to the Lackawanna River, trying out one of my honey hole spots. We're going to track through some snow here. Once we get down to the river, I'll meet back up with you. All right, guys, we're at our first spot. Gulp Minnows, 2.5 inch. Emerald Shiner is the name of this color here. So I'm going to rig it up on a 1/16 ounce jig head. Going to get in the water, and we're going to see if we could catch something. First cast, guys. Their temperature's about 40 degrees today. And what we're doing here, guys, it's a looped uni knot here. That way with these, anytime you work a jig head, it's the best knot. Just because you get so much more action than like the normal clinch knot. There's one already, guys. Nice brownie. I gotta get down in the water, guys. I'm not even in the water yet. Oh, what a way to start. What a way to start, guys. Look at that beast. Look at him, guys. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Look at him. And he is ice cold. Just let him go, guys. There he goes. Sorry about the train noise, guys. But this is why I love Gulp Minnows. It's why I fish with them all the time for wild browns. Because they just eat them up. And you can catch all different sizes with them, as I just proved there. He was probably about 16 inches. So after, especially a big fish like that, it just tears them. You can't use them anymore. And basically all you do here, go to the mouth. Just go right out the back. And that's it. There's another one, guys. He's decent too, guys. Come on, baby. It's bigger than the first one. Wow, guys. Holy crap. Look at him. Oh my God, he's a big boy. He's a big boy. That's 2 fish in about 10 minutes, guys. See how he's hooked. We gotta measure this guy. See how big he is. I say 17, guys. Wow, wait, that can't be right. 18 3/4. Let's let him go. Look at him, guys. How beautiful is that? Off a 2.5-inch Gulp Minnow. There he goes, guys. And he's off. See that? He destroyed it. It's 2 Gulp Minnows down, but you get 18 in a pack, and Walmart they're $4.87, so it's not bad. If I could catch 18 fish, oh my god, look at that jig head though, guys. I don't even think I could reuse that. Let's see what it looks like. But as I was saying, if I could catch 18 fish on $5, I'm okay with that.